Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion Exercise 12.2 question number 2. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This question says, write true or false against each of the following statements for true T and for false F. So first statement, 16 is to 24 as to 20 is to 30. So you can see these two ratios, 16 is to 24 and 20 is to 30. It is saying that these two are in proportion. Now how will we check that? We will simplify them. First of all, convert this ratio into in fraction. Convert 16 is to 24 in fraction. Convert 20 is to 30 in fraction. Then simplify them. Then see if you get the same ratio. If you get same ratio, then the statement is true. If you don't get the same ratio, then statement is false and number is not in proportion. So first this becomes 16 upon 24. So directly you can simplify this by 2, 8 and 12. Now by 4, so or by 2 as well, 4 and here 6. Now lastly by 2, so 2 and 3. So you get 2 is to 3. Clear. Now next is this one, 20 upon 30. This 0 cut, this 0 cut, you get 2 is to 3. Right. So you see that you are getting the same ratio. Right. So these two ratios are in proportion as well as this statement is true. Right. Let's move on to the next statement. Now next statement is 21 is to 6 as to 35 is to 10. So here you see first ratio will be 21 upon 6 and second one will be 35 upon 10. So you see here 21 upon 6. So 21 is divisible by any number? Yes, it is divisible by 3 as well. Okay, so we will cut both of these by 3. This will be 7 times. This will go 2 times. Now you have 7 is to 2. First. And second you have is this one by 5. So 35 goes 7 times by 5. 10 goes 2 times. So you get 7 is to 2. Once again you can see both of these are equal. So that means these are in proportion as well as your statement is true. Alright. Now next part is 12 is to 18 as to 28 is to 12. Again, first of all, we will make the ratio into fraction. So this is 12 upon 18. This one becomes 28 upon 12. So first of all, 12 and 18 both are divisible. Right, by 6 you can do or by 2. It is up to you totally. I'll do by 2. So 9. Now by 3. So 6 goes 2 times. 9 goes 3 times. This becomes 2 is to 3. Now see here, so 28 and 12. By 2 we will cut them off. So this will be 1 and 4, 14. This will be 6. Now by 2 once again 7 and this one will be 3. Right, so you get 7 is to 3. So this is what? Not coming out as your ratios are not coming out as the same. So that means your statement is also false. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now friends, let's move on to the next part. This is the D part. This is 8 is to 9 as to 24 is to 27. So first of all, 8 upon 9, this will be, so you can see two consecutive numbers. So we cannot simplify them. They will not have any common factors. Okay, these type of numbers are called what? Co-prime numbers generally. So you can simply write it as 8 is to 9 because we cannot simplify it. It is in the simplest form. Then you have 24 upon 27. So by 3 both of these will be divisible. This will be 8 times, this will be 9 times divisible. So you get 8 is to 9. So you can see that both of these are equal and that means that these numbers are in proportion, which it is saying here clearly. So that means the statement also is true. So you can write here true. Okay. Now friends, the E part. This is 5.2 is to 3.9 as to 3 is to 4. Now you can see the first ratio is containing decimals in it. So how will we remove that decimal? Let us see. First of all, make the ratio into a fraction. So first decimal will be up, that is 5.2 upon 3.9. Right, so now do this. Now how will you remove the decimal here? You can see here that here point is at one places from the right, and here the decimal point is at one place from the right. So what we can do is multiply both of these by 10. Right, you will multiply this by 10 and multiply this by 10. Right, or you can simply do one thing here basically. So without even doing it, you can say that if you will multiply the zeros, this decimal will be at this place, then it will have no value. Right, that is what you can do. Or if you simply cut this decimal, cut this decimal. Right, so you can see this one place is here, so you will put 1 0 here and another 0 here. Why? Because you see, if this was the number, you cut this decimal, so one place from the right this decimal is at, so 1 0 will be placed. Same for this one also, so this is 0. Now you cut this 0, cut this 0, so what clearly you get is this 52 upon 39. Now you will solve this. So if you 52 will be divisible and 39 also by 13. So 52 will be going 4 times, 39 3 times. So you get 4:3. This is one ratio. Second one is 3 upon 4. Very simple, it is in the simplest form. So convert it into the ratio as it was, 3:4. You can see that both of these are different. The order here does not matter. Over here you need to see the ratio only. So you can see that both of these ratios are different. Right, that means this statement is false and these numbers are not in proportion, so false here. Now next is 0.9 is to 0.36 as to 10:4. So you see this will be 0.9 upon 0.36. Again forget about this and you only focus on removing the decimals. So you remove this decimal first, this one, right, you removed, right, so you put a 0 here in the bottom, in the denominator. You remove this one here, so you, if you forget this 0, so it was 2 places from the right, so 2 zeros here as well. This 0 cut, this 0 cut. Right, so now if you see, what do you have left with you? 90 and 36. Now simply both of these will be divisible by 9 either, you can do by any other, so 10 4. Now by 2 I will do it, 5 and 2. So you get 5:2. Right, this is in the simplest form, correct. Now next is 10:4 or 10 upon 4. Now simplify this, 5 upon 2, that is 5:2. Again friends, you see here that both of these are having the same ratios. Right, this states that what? Both of these, this statement is true and these numbers here are also in proportion. Okay, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.